Hello everyone. Today, how do you mine Hacash Diamond on Windows? That's what we'll be talking about. For this, first we go to hackash.org. Here, we click on the miner section and select hacd mining. Then we'll access Hackash's GitHub repository. Yes, since we'll be doing this on Windows, first we need full node Windows and diaworker Windows files that we need to download. Once we download and extract the files from the RAR, we'll have two files like this. First, we go into the full node Windows folder and run the full node windows.exe file. Here, all the blocks need to be synchronized. We wait for this to happen right now. Yes, now all the blocks are synchronized. All blocks have been synchronized. We continue this process until we see that message. Now we can close the node. The second thing we need to do here is that there is a configuration file and we need to edit it. Since we will be doing diamond miner and diamond mining here, this section concerns us. I'm removing the semicolon here. Then I enter our address in the reward section. Here I also enter the private key of this address or the private key of the address that will be used to receive the payment for the auction. There are three sections here, and these are the parts related to the auction. The bid minimum section represents the initial starting price of the auction, so the bidding will commence here with 8 hack. What exactly is the maximum bid max price that can be set? Hack. If we want to place a bid, we will enter it here. The step section here is the bid increment. This will be the value that determines the range of our auction or our bids. You can adjust this part however you like. After making this final adjustment, we then close out and save the changes. Then we go to the diaworker folder. Here we also have a configuration file. There is also a connect section here that we need to edit. Two sections. Here we need to enter the local IP address of the computer where the node is running. I can find it in the Windows command system by typing IP. Config. Here I found the local address of this computer. I copy this and change the IP address in the section labeled Connect. Here I also enter how many cores I want to use on my computer. For example, I changed it to 15 cores, and I closed and saved this as well. Subtitle. Now I'm coming back to the full node folder. First, I'm running the full node exe file. Yes, right now it's connecting to the nodes. I'm minimizing this. While this is running, again, I'm running the diaworker Windows exe file. Yes, mining has indeed officially started currently. We're mining the 122,990th diamond. Here, you can clearly see the significant power produced by 15 individual processor cores and their combined output. When we find a diamond, a notification will appear here automatically. It will show up along with its name. We'll be able to see it. Yes, this is how mining has started. Now let's see how we can place a bid. Now how do you place a bid in an auction? Let's learn that. That's all for this part. We go to the mining address. Here you can see the current auction information. If you have found a diamond in this auction, your wallet will appear here, and there will be a blue box at the very front. To place a bid, you easily connect your crypto wallet. Then to place a bid, we click on this blue button. In the window that opens in this section, you enter your bid amount. It's confirmed. Your new bid amount will appear here. Subscribe. If no one places a higher bid than you will win the diamond in this auction. Good luck to you all.